Good morning. Welcome to our assembly. It's Wednesday. It's another one of those really short weeks with 4 days in it. I hope you had a lovely, lovely weekend. And you've probably talked about this in class. If you have, don't answer the question. It's fine. If you haven't, share with your partner what you did to celebrate the King's coronation. Okay. Pause your video if you need to. I had a lovely time. I sat and watched it and watched the whole ceremony, and then I watched the coronation concert as well, which was really, really lovely. So, lots of interesting acts, and I really enjoyed seeing that. And now I'm feeling quite positive because we're on a short week. The weather is picking up. And let's think other reasons why I'm positive. So things that I think are just kind of cool at the moment. My training for my bike ride is going really, really well. I went out and did a shorter ride yesterday, only 20 miles, and I'm feeling really good about that. I have got a really lovely lunch today, and I'm quite happy to be in school. There you go, 3 things I'm feeling positive about, 3 things. So see if you can pick out 3 things you are feeling positive about too. Okay, you can share those if you want. Or not. It's up to you. You might want to keep them to yourself. It's fine. Right. So I'm going to share a theme for our assembly. Bananas. Bananas are our theme for the assembly today. Because we might talk about going bananas, feeling a bit bananas. And it might be a bit silly, but these are serious points about these things because these things are pretty cool. So first of all, they are yellow. Mine are a little bit green because they're not quite ripe yet, but they're bright and cheerful. So the yellow colour is bright and cheerful, happy and positive. And bananas also grow in a really cool shape. They are in the shape of a big smile. And when Mrs. Webb and I went out to Kenya, the Kenyan teachers would talk to the children about showing them a big banana smile. So like that. Everybody show me a big banana smile. Even your teachers show a big banana smile. So we can see that happy shape, and everyone works best and learns best when we're in a happy place. And if you bring a smile to school, it gives great encouragement to other people. And if anything at school happens that makes us feel a little bit glum, a little bit sad, that's when another smiling face and a listening ear can help to do so much. So you can talk to your friends, you can talk to your teachers, and right the way around school, there's signs about what to do if you're not happy or if you're not safe. So find where that sign is about in your classroom and remind yourselves in class. And your teacher can talk you through it about the things that make you feel safe in school and how we stay safe. Okay, so yellow, happy, positivity. Secondly, you saw at the start, bananas grow together in bunches, large bunches. And do you know what they're called? Put your hand up if you can guess what they're called. I'll give you a clue. Put your hand up if you can guess what that's called, that bunch of bananas. So a bunch of bananas in a cluster is called a hand. And school is a place where everybody, young and old, learn together. The teachers learn as well. I love learning from you guys. I've been learning loads of stuff when I see your work and I read the stuff that you've written. It helps me to learn. So every class is a place where different people belong. So which class is going to be the most helpful bunch? Where are the helping hands? And when friendships are under strain, when things are a little bit difficult, year 6, you're working really hard at the moment, you've got your SATs tests, will you hang together like a bunch of bananas and stay together to be part of that team together? And thirdly, bananas are filled with energy. We need lots of energy to learn and really enjoy school. And some energy is physical. A good night's sleep, a healthy breakfast. You really need a healthy breakfast. And given the number of people I see yawning around school, you need an early night. And maybe a banana as a healthy mid-morning snack. So other energy is spiritual. It's in your head, it's in your mind, it's in your heart. It might be because of a love of God. It might be from other people and the world around us and all the things we've talked about, being mindful and seeing those things. So I'm hoping that everybody in school is going to tackle every challenge with energy and enthusiasm and a banana smile. Okay, so final thing about the fruit, I haven't gone completely bananas, but it's simply that the banana sums up the enjoyment of being part of a cheerful, united, and energetic school community. So have a great banana day today. I hope you have a really lovely day. I hope you can reflect on the things that are really good. I hope you have a banana or something that is really healthy for you as a snack or something to eat with your lunch, and it helps you to feel full of energy. Have a lovely day, guys. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.